Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Fortnite not launching on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications right here. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if Fortnite doesn't want to launch on your PlayStation 5, you need to know the reason. One of the most popular reasons is maybe your PlayStation 5 is out of storage. So basically guys, what you need to do guys right now is go to settings. Then here you're gonna find all of the settings related to your device. Go ahead and search for storage. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, go ahead and check if your storage is full. If your storage is full, you need to free up some space. So basically guys, if you want to free some space, you can just go back right here. Then go, for example, to any game that you don't use anymore. Click on option and then here you're gonna find the option to delete the game. One other thing that could help you to free up some space is going to your media gallery. And then here, as you can see guys, if you have a lot of videos and pictures, this will consume a lot of storage. You can delete the videos that you don't need, and then you're going to be able to free space on your PlayStation 5 and you will be able to launch Fortnite. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.